Hi, Sweet Loves. I am Simply Jordan, and welcome to this video. Today's a very exciting day. You want to know why? Because I went to Morphe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me calm myself down. It was so overwhelmingly beautiful. There were brushes literally lining the walls. Of course, it's Morphe brushes. And of course, there were palettes and glitter and lip gloss and lipsticks and lashes. Just all the things I love in one location. It was just beautiful. But I just had a little time in between classes today. I went to the Burbank location. I go to school in Hollywood and it's not that far. So I figured, why not? So that's what I did. I'm gonna show you all the goodies I have in this beautiful little black bag. I took some footage, of course, today from my trip. I went for a little lunch, went to the store. I'll show you all of that in a second. But I'm so excited and I'm so happy. I am definitely going back. So take a quick look at this footage of my trip today to the Morphe store for the first time, and I'll show you what's in my bag. I actually just got out of class. I go to Musicians Institute here in Hollywood, California. There's always something going on here. And I decided today I want to go to the Morphe store. I haven't been. It'll be my first time going there. There's one not too far from my school, so I figured I'd stop in and see what I can find. I'm in between classes now, so I figured I'd stop, get a little lunch, and see what happens when I get there. So after I get some food, I'll take you guys along with me and see what we can find. So this is lunch today. It's called Wealthy. Shout out to my boy A-Town Anthony for showing me about this place. I got some rice noodles, some mushrooms, some onions, and some shrimp. They put in I think a sweet, spicy, and spicy soy sauce. It looks really good. It smells even better, but I want to give this place a try. See if I can make this a part of my regular diet because I am trying to do some different things. So yeah, let's see how this tastes. All right, y'all, so I got my food here. I got a little bit of everything on my fork, a piece of shrimp, if it didn't fall, a piece of shrimp, some mushrooms, a lot of the sauce. Let's see how it tastes. It's really hot too. That is really good. I'm about to smash this. I'll be back. Here she is, the Morphe store. Look, guys, look how gorgeous the store is. I can't handle what's happening right now. It's very overwhelming. Let's hope I don't spend my whole check. Look at all these brushes, y'all. This is intense. I don't know what I'm about to do with myself. Okay, y'all, I am still very much so in this store and I have class in like 20 minutes. I need to get out of here, but it's so many good things. I don't know how I have to get out of here. So I'm gonna go home, get what I need to get. Well, get what I need to get first, go home. I'll do kind of like a haul when I get there, but y'all, I gotta get out of here before I have no money left. Okay, bye. All right, let's show you my goodies. Okay, let me stop. So the main reason why I went to the Morphe store today was because of one thing. The Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This thing is so stinking pretty. So many vivid colors and everything. I'm not gonna open it now because I do plan on doing a full review and look with this palette. So make sure you guys keep your eyes open for that. But I saw it in the store and it's just so good. And I was certain that this palette was gonna be sold out. It just released this past Thursday, I believe, the day before Valentine's Day. It's the store that I went to is the first Morphe store, the one in Burbank. So I was just sure that it wasn't gonna be there, but they had it. The Lord was looking out for me because he knew I needed this palette in my life, and I got it. What's funny about it is that we sell Morphe at the Ulta location. I do work as a beauty advisor at Ulta Beauty, and we're gonna get this palette in March, but I just couldn't wait. I needed this palette right now. So I got it, and I can't wait to put these colors on my face. But I also got some lashes. two pair, one called Hot Stuff and Glambassador. Come on. So that's Hot Stuff. And then that is Ambassador. Ambassador is really cute. Well, Glambassador is real cute. 9 times out of 10, when I do the look with the palette, I'll probably pair them with one of these lashes. I also got some glitter. Y'all know I love glitter. By the brand Eye Candy. One is called Sour Grape. This one is a very vivid purple with some flecks of pink. It's really, really pretty. And then I got Black Bart, which I find absolutely hilarious. This is just a pure black with some flecks of silver. I thought it was really pretty too, so I got those two. But that's what I got. This is a very small haul. I had to just show you guys what I got and tell you about my first experience with Morphe. The people were really nice. It's not super busy or just crazy, not as much as I thought it would be anyway, but it was really nice. The employees are really nice. They gave me a basket. They made sure I found everything okay. It was a really good experience, so I'm definitely going back. But anyway, that's all the things that I got. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, talk to me. I want to talk back. Keep your eyes open for future videos that are coming up soon. I'm excited. Today was a good day. But I love you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day, a great night, a great life, and see you soon.